Hey, Moondog here with a little mini, I would even say micro review of Bazic correction fluid. Yes, the brand name is Bazic, which I'm assuming to be a pun. Bad pun of the name for basic office supplies. Now, I've only seen this brand at like super discount stores. I don't know if I saw it on like Walmart or Dollar General or some 99-cent store somewhere, but I also I got these actually on Amazon. I was surprised to find them. I like these actually better than traditional whiteout or liquid paper because it has some really nice features. Well, aside from the fact that it comes in two instead of just one in a pack. But listen to this. Can you hear that? There's actually a little plastic piece in there. I'm assuming it's plastic. I actually have never broken into this thing. But there's a little plastic mixer in there, which is really great because it helps keep the correction fluid mixed. And so it doesn't separate into, as it dries, it doesn't separate into its alcohol and tint components. So I'm assuming it's alcohol and whatever white opaque tint creates the correction fluid. And one other feature I really like is the fact that it doesn't have bristles. It has a nice sponge wedge brush. So it really lays down a nice even flat coat. Here, we'll test it out here so you can see. I already tried it a couple of times and we'll just cover up here. You can see it even covers up in red quite well. Nice even coat. So yeah, it works quite well. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope this review was helpful, and if it was, please hit the helpful review button or like button or whatever it is that you're watching this on. Thanks for watching. Moondog, out. Hey, if you like this video, please share it on social media. You know, Facebook, forums, MeWe, whatever platform you're on. And if you want to see more videos, check out moondogindustries.com.